Guess what, you guys? I finished both sleeves. I have a whole ass cardigan now. Look at that. Look at this patchwork. We got like a white square here. And now we have a white sleeve here with the green square. Green front. Yellow back. I realized that these sleeves are not the same size, but who's gonna know? And it works out because like my left hand is my non-dominant hand anyway, so the longer it is, the more I keep warmth because I'm not doing anything with it. Whereas, you know, I need my right hand to be more free to do this. Yes! Bro, this is such a huge accomplishment. Now I need to do the bottom ribbing. I used up all my white yarn in class, and then I was working on this cufflink, but I ran out of the green yarn, so I had to wait till I came home. Should have been paying attention in my realistic exam prep class, but your girl already studied the whole book, so it was more of just like an overview and just hearing it from a different perspective. So, super stoked. I'm going to so wear this to my exam. This is going to be like my good luck charm jacket now. I love it so much. You guys, I wore my cardigan out for the first time this evening in class. Unfortunately, I didn't get to record this because I was crocheting the bottom ribbing in class. But I will link the video tutorial that I was trying to follow the best that I could down below in the description, so you can take a look through there. They have timestamps, so that's really great and helpful. But I am so close to being done. I just need to do the collar. I didn't have a 10mm crochet hook with me, so I didn't get to work on that. But I mean, it's pretty much finished, but I want to add some more width to the front so it looks a little bit more closed up. I can't wait till the final product, you guys. I know this lighting is bright as heck in my back, but bear with me. So I am working on the collar. So I got my slip knot through, chained one, and now I'm just going to do single crochets across. But this time with the end from the slip knot, I'm going to crochet over it, so then I don't have to weave this end. So I wish I thought about doing this for the other. So I'm going into the loop. I have this end over it. I'm gonna pull that yarn through, yarn over, and then pull through both of them. So go through the loop, make sure that yarn end is in the middle, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and then we're just going to keep going all the way across. I just made it to the other end of the collar, and now I just chained one with my 10mm hook, and we are going to, oh, I turned my work, that's why I was kind of confused. We're going into the front loop only, and very loosely do slip stitches. Slip stitch to front loops, front loops only. I feel like I'm making mine too loose, but I think the loose is better, so it won't bunch up, they say. And then when you get to the end, chain one, turn, and you just keep building up the collar however much you want it to be, to whatever thickness you like. I am at the end of this row and I'm basically out of yarn. So do you guys know what that means? Oh. All I have to do is weave this tail and I am done. Ah. Ooh, that's about to choke me. I am basically officially done with... Uh-oh. Oh my god, the string is about to choke me. This is perfect. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that collar. I'm looking at my viewfinder, but this is perfection. Perfection. Hey. Hey. Woo. This is amazing. We have made history, you guys. Let me know down in the comments below if you like these type of videos where I am kind of doing a tutorial vlog where I try out different projects. So let me know down below if you want to see more of this, and if there's any specific projects you want to see me do, drop them down. But thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notify bell button so you know the next time I put out a crochet video. Thank you so much for joining me on this struggle bus. I appreciate you guys. Guess what, you guys? I wore this cardigan out today for the first time when it was fully done as my good luck charm. And your girl just passed her Texas Realtor's license exam today. So I'm officially a Texas Realtor, and I'm willing to help you, your family, your friends buy a new home, sell your current home, or invest in a new property so you can make some moolah. But super happy. I had 3 people compliment me on my cardigan, and it just feels so good, except for the fact that I lost a seam already. Look at this. I don't know what happened, but it just came off after my realtor's exam. I could just leave it like that. It could be a style on its own, but I'm gonna patch it up and whatnot. But the thing with crochet clothing is now I have to be cautious of what I lean against or what I bump into, because I just had a piece of my cardigan get snagged when I was walking in the door. So things I'm learning with crocheting, but super proud of myself with finishing this cardigan and getting licensed. It's going to be a great year, y'all, and I hope you have a great year as well. So thank you for tuning in. Once again, if you do enjoy these tutorial vlog style videos, leave a comment down below, give me a like, subscribe, share this channel with others so we can have a laugh and struggle together. Love you guys.